That's a shelf cloud. That's an extreme thunderstorm. It looks like. Look at those cumulonimbus clouds over there. Oh, there's another one behind us. Dang. That's a severe one. That's gotta be a big one. They might be going away, but they might be coming. Oh, that one's probably rolling in. That almost looks like a supercell. Look how fast moving those clouds are. That's actually kind of beautiful, but it's really severe at the same time, though. Next to the airport, you can see all that. Oh my god. See all that extreme weather. This one is out to our right. Oh my god. These storms are also along a cold front. What the heck? See all the rain, like it's hazy. A giant squall line of thunderstorms. Oh my god. Looks like there's possible rotation. Look at that. Holy crap. That looks extreme. Almost tornado warned. I don't know, but it's definitely not looking good. It's looking very bad out there. All those clouds over there, that's a giant squall line of thunderstorms. I can just tell by the look. Might actually be severe. Looks like it's moving a little further. But honestly, I would not want to be under that. These storms could potentially bring hail.